Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Sarah, my love, why do you look so upset? Did something happen at school?
Mom, the girls at school were laughing at me again. They make fun of my scarf and call me names. I tried to ignore them, but it really hurts.
I'm so sorry, sweetheart. I know it's hard, but do you know that you are not alone in this? There was someone who faced even greater cruelty, yet never let it break her spirit.
Really? Who, Mom?
My sweet Sarah, do you know who else faced so much hardship, yet never gave up? Let me tell you the story of Lady Zainab, the granddaughter of Prophet Muhammad. Lady Zainab was born in the 5th year of Hijri in the house of Imam Ali and Lady Fatima. Her life was filled with love, but also with great sorrow. She lost her beloved grandfather, Prophet Muhammad, at a young age, and soon after, her mother, Lady Fatima, was taken away from her too, but she never let sadness weaken her. Instead, she grew into a woman of immense knowledge and strength. She was called a scholar without a teacher, because her wisdom came from the purest sources, her grandfather, father, mother, and brothers.
She must have been really special. But Mom, was she ever scared?
Oh, my dear, of course, there were times when life was very difficult. But instead of fear, she chose faith and courage. Even when she married, she made a condition. She would never be separated from her brother, Imam Hussein. And when he decided to leave Medina to stand against injustice, she followed him, knowing the dangers ahead. In Karbala, she watched her loved ones, her own sons, and her dear brother sacrificed for the truth. And after the battle, she was taken captive. But do you know what she did, Sarah?
What, Mom?
She stood tall. Even as a prisoner, she spoke bravely in the courts of the tyrants. She made sure the world knew the truth about Karbala. She was insulted, threatened, and mocked, but she never let their words shake her faith. She showed the world that true strength is standing firm even when everything seems against you.
Even when people say mean things, I should stay strong and never lose my faith.
Exactly, my love. Lady Zainab taught us that true courage is not in fighting back with anger, but in standing tall with dignity and patience. Your kindness and strength will always win in the end.